Okay, so we're following the road ahead. We're then following the signs for the A650 Wakefield. Can you use the bus lane?
No. I mean, we can.
Okay.
Oh, you said avoid it. It's gone there.
Any particular reason why you're slowing down so much?
Just looking aside.
Okay.
You made me so nervous.
Okay, for the purpose of today, I want you to, when you turn left, I want you to remain in the lane closest to the left.
Okay.
Then, at some point, go into the center lane. Don't just go straight into the center lane from turning left, okay?
From near the roundabout, you're saying?
And from here, when you turn left, come off in lane 1. And then at some point, move into lane 2. Gear 2. Now, see how you push gear 1 to 3. Now gear 2. Gear 3, sorry. I'm getting muddled up with my gears now. Once you go over the traffic lights, then make a lane change when it's safe. So we don't just land in lane 2 and come all the way up in lane 2. We try and stay in lane 1, and then reasonably, when you're approaching the roundabout, you make your lane change as close as you reasonably can without affecting anybody.
Third exit. Middle.
So at the roundabout, we're taking the third exit, but we're going to remain in lane 2 and exit the roundabout in lane 2. Can I let you try and do this on your own?
Yeah.
And not get involved unless it becomes serious or dangerous, okay?
Yes. See that car, I can't help their signals after this.
Quick glance at your speed.
Yeah.
Now accelerate
I
hard.
missed few opportunities.
Forget that. Pick up speed. You're changing gears too quick. You're not building enough momentum.
I was trying to-
Now, when you're ready, move into the lane on the left. Should be in gear 4. The car's making a lot of noise. At the traffic lights, turn left.
After?
Turning left at the lights. You're looking for signals at a roundabout. Sometimes they're not signalling because they're going ahead. Sometimes they're signalling late, like you.
Yeah.